Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astro Jyoti Healing. Today we are going to see Sun in the sign of Virgo. When we talk about Sun in the sign of Virgo, the two things are very important and they are where is the nakshatra lord of this Sun placed in your horoscope and where is Mercury placed. This is a very popular placement or very common placement seen in the horoscopes of people who have recognition in the field of arts, movies, theatre, sports, or communications industry, authors, novel writers, or successful public figures because they have dominance of Sun and Mercury, which gives them ability to talk a lot, talk in the right way, and come up with ideas, convert those ideas into the form of contracts or deals. Sun in Virgo is a very popular placement among all people who are successful at business. They could be into sales, into marketing, or could be into advertising. However, this makes them really skillful, really skilled at the art of communications. You might find people who are really good at some form of art and typically with their hands, they have some skills of hands. In the sign of Virgo, there are three nakshatras. First is Uttara Falguni, that is ruled by Sun. Second is Hasta, that is ruled by Moon. And the third one is Chitra, that is ruled by Mars. In general, you will find these people to be very active. Either they are physically active or they are mentally active. But they are usually busy doing some work or another. If you have your natal Sun placed in the sign of Uttara Falguni, that means you are really a Sun dominated person. You like visibility, you are a leader, and you will always form contracts that are favorable to you. Depending on the placement of Mercury, you will notice you are definitely skilled in either sports, some activity that is done by using your hands, or you have great knack of speaking, communications. If you have Sun placed in the sign of Hasta, that means your hands definitely have very important role in your emotional well-being. Depending on the aspects or conjunctions with this Sun, you might notice that the skills of hands are used for betterment of others, or maybe they are used for taking benefits from others. However, Hasta comes with intrinsic promise of healing. You have ability to heal people. So many physical therapists, so many healers, people who deal with the acupressure therapy or who are into hypnotism or psychology, they have ability to heal people. You could be a surgeon as well. You could be somebody who owns a business of spa. So always remember, if you have Sun in Hasta, your first duty towards society is to heal people. You can make a business out of it, but make sure you're honest about healing others. On the other hand, we do see people who use the skills of hands to do robbery. However, I would just focus on the good aspects of this Hasta and move on. The last nakshatra in the sign of Virgo is Chitra. Chitra is ruled by Mars. If you have a Sun in the sign of Chitra, that means you are very physically active as well as you have a lot of creative energy. Placement of Sun in Virgo in either of these nakshatras shows that you take pride. Your self-esteem is definitely boosted when people recognize you for the communication skill or the skill of hands that you possess or the business skills that you have. In the sign of Chitra, people are usually very creative. They are very active. Active in form of sports, active in form of doing some business. Chitra people can actually into building something. They could be the civil engineers. They could be people who work in construction business, real estates, or they are dealing with Martian energy of army. You could be related to some known position in army, military, air force, or even navy, depending on the placement of moon and Rahu. You could be somebody who is looked after as a very desired person if you are into entertainment industry. Typically bodybuilders, those who want to work out in gym and build their body, they are great at some sports. Typically that needs a lot of physical energy, running, moving around. They are seen with position in Son of position in Chitra. You could be somebody who is into financial industry leading the next change. You have the ability to bring about any form of change which is commercially viable. The care that one needs to take in this placement is be careful about not hurting people. Rather, respect others to earn your recognition. Don't use other people. Don't deceive them. Make sure you keep your word, because Mercury is in a way fast changing planet. You may notice that you have some mood swings if this sun is placed in 8th or 12th house. So control that. And the root cause is not getting recognition. But believe in your own powers and do better for the society, and this sun will always give you lot of success. Hope this helps you understand the position of sun in your horoscope. If you want to know more about what other planets are in your horoscope, where they are placed, which nakshatra they are placed, send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. I'll be more than happy to do a horoscope reading for you. If you get a chance, do visit the website www.astrojyotihealing.com and take a look at the articles. Before sending the email regarding reading, do the donation to any of the charities that are mentioned there, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Namaste. Shubham Bhavatu.